Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we are coming to you and talking about our new Articat Catalyst 858 low elevation, so like 0 to 5,000 feet, stage 2 exterminator kit. You like what you hear, click the link below, take you right to our website. You can order it, you can look at graphs, charts, order it online. You got questions, email us, whatever, click that link below. If you want more information, listen up. Stage 2 kits, we've had them forever, dang near, oh shit, since I was a kid. Back 20 plus years ago, I remember us having, stage kits, exterminator kits. And we've kind of set the industry standard for packaging a performance parts to what's going to give you the best bang for your buck. That is what a Speedwerx Stage 2 exterminator kit is. Starts off with our Fat Daddy single pipe. Y-pipe combo, comes ceramic coated. This alone gives you 8 horsepower. You do need to do the ECU tune with it, and it will go into the stock muffler. So if your state has issues with mufflers, things like that, you can run it right into the stock muffler. It'll sound stock. It'll actually be a little bit quieter than stock because it has more of an internal stinger, which helps quiet stuff down, but that's a conversation for another day. But again, 8 horsepower, requires an ECU flash. You should do clutching with it, but I'll get into kind of what the whole package consists of. So I just talked about clutching, H5 alloy primary spring, H5 alloy secondary spring, compound radius helix, our adjustable clutch weights, which in our clutch, all of our clutch kits that have adjustable weights, we send them to you preset. So all you have to do is install them, go out, hit the gas, do some quarter mile simulated drag races, check the RPM, everything should be good. 99.9% of the time, you don't have to touch it. But the adjustments are there if you need it. Our high flow air intake setup, which consists of some frog skins and then a new billet intake, which dramatically opens up the amount of the hole in the airbox between the hole between the airbox and the hood. This dramatically opens that up. That part alone, that's 5 horsepower, just that part alone. Huge, huge, huge deal. We have our vent kits to help get cold air under the hood, lower those intake temps, lower the engine temps, lower the belt temps, clutch temps, lower all that. That's huge there. That's part of the kit. And then last but not least, we have our stealth head mod with interchangeable domes. You can see we have several different compression ratios for pump gas from anywhere from sea level up to 10,000 feet. Or if you're wanting to run race gas, you can bump things up there. You can see on the stock head here how we gut it out, machine it, so when it's all together, it looks stock. And then we have one of our lightweight spring cups here and our lightweight recoil cups. These 2 parts are options in the kit. But they do, if you combine these with our helix, which the helix is like a half a pound, this is almost a pound, and this is 0.3 pounds. So you're saving almost 2 pounds of rotating weight just with those 3 parts alone. Makes a huge difference. So anyways, like I said, pipe is 8 horse, intake's 5, head's 5, and it does require an ECU tune. Even if you just do the pipe, requires an ECU tune. So 18 horse for this package. Some guys will ask, hey, you did your high elevation video and you said it was 21 horsepower. That's because at elevation, the head gives us even more power because we can run more compression than stock at elevation on pump gas and get away with it. So there's kind of free power on the table there. But yeah, 18 horsepower. Mufflers are options as well. We have our titanium L2, we have our stainless L2, and then we have our standard lightweight muffler, ceramic coated. This is our quiet guy, so if you're looking and you ride trails or you're worried about noise, this is the version you want. If you want it loud and you want it ringing, the L2 is your guy. But again, this pipe goes into the stock muffler too. If you're worried about laws and things like that in your area, you can just do that. The whole kit, the package, retails for $24.79.75, and again, it had 18 horsepower over stock. There is some weight savings there, and depending on what muffler you go with, will determine that. But I think it's upwards of 15 to 18 pounds. So yeah, Speedwerx Stage 2 exterminator kit, $24.79.75, 18 horsepower over stock, 100% runs on premium pump gas. If you guys got any questions, let us know. Check it out on the website. We'll talk to you soon.